Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Amico knot, and that is the Italian word for friend. Let's go and get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line as usual. We're just going to come over here. We're going to put in a dimple. We're going to bring this around, and it's going to come up and over like this. So this is what we have so far. Come around like this. Come up and over like this. Then I'm going to leave it fold it in half and leave it back here. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a twist, and I'm going to go through that, then we're going to come up and down like this, doing another wreath. So we got a wreath here, and do another wreath here. We're going to bring it through this loop over here. So there we have the Amico. So there you have that. Oh no, time, my friends, you're fearfully and wonderfully made. Kind of makes the shape of a heart a little bit there. So peace and God bless. We'll see you in the next video. Again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials.